read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Now it's time to do an activity. Wow, beautiful pictures. Look here, it's an apple on apple tree. There's a ball. There is an ant. There is a monkey wearing a blue cap. But what's the topic? What we have to do here? Circle the picture that start with letter A or sound A. How we have to do it? What does A say? A says ah, 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 ah. Oh my God. A says ah, 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 apple. Good. Let's circle with me. Good. A says ah, 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 ant. Let's circle with me. We will join arrow to arrow. Very good. Here is a ball. But ball is not friend of letter A. Here is a monkey. It's also not friend of letter A. And the monkey is wearing a cap. It's not friend of letter A. There are two friends of letter A. Apple, yummy, juicy, red apple, and ant. So, you have to do it again. Very good. Now, it's time to do second activity. Circle the picture that start with letter B and its sound. Look here. Here are many pictures. Could you see?
Yes!
I couldn't listen. Could you see? Yes! Cap, apple, dog, ball, and beer. Wow, they all are looking very cool. Now let's start. Circle with me. It's cap. No, because cap, we have to circle the picture that start with letter B. B is for beer. It's very soft. Beer. Let's circle with me. We will join arrow to arrow. Stop. Very good. Now it's dog. Next is ball. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball. Let's circle around it. I'll help you. We will join arrow to arrow. Stop. Now, ball. Beer. It's very nice activity. I hope you all enjoyed a lot with me. Now, I want to say thank you. Allah Hafiz.